Trust me, I got it.
How can she sleep through this?
Oh, I always nap through a haircut.
It's nice to have this kind of peace once in a while. We have different ideas of peace.
What happened?
Please, not another word, Major!
Don't say anything mean. She's already crying as it is.
任せて。坂本さんよく寝れますね。
散髪中にはよくあることさ。
たまにはこんな平穏もいいもんだね。今平穏なんですか？今。私を